Do you also use cognitive forms to receive new registrations, leads or any kind of form submissions for your business? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to send and get WhatsApp message on cognitive form submission using AI Sensei. So I am an owner of a real estate agency and I have created a lead form using cognitive forms that I have connected to my website. So here my objective is that whenever I am going to receive a new form submission, then automatically and instantly a thank you message should be sent to my lead on their WhatsApp number through AI Sensei, and after that automatically I should receive a WhatsApp message on my phone number with all the lead details. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my cognitive forms with my WhatsApp by AI Sensei account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So as you all know that I run a real estate agency and we use cognitive forms to collect inquiries from potential buyers and renters. So whenever someone fills out the form on our website, they provide important details like their name, contact information and property preferences. So now by integrating cognitive forms with AI Sensei, I can instantly send a WhatsApp message to the lead thanking them for the inquiry and providing assurance that we will get back to them soon. And now at the same time, I want to receive an automated WhatsApp message with the lead's detail directly on my phone. This helps me quickly review their requirements and plan a follow-up even when I'm on the go. This integration ensures that leads feel valued and that I stay organized, improving both responsiveness and efficiency in managing inquiries. So now here in this video, firstly we are going to see the working of this amazing automation that I have already built by connecting my cognitive form with my AI Sensei account using an automation software. So here to see the working, what we are going to do is that we are going to make a form submission over here, and here in this phone number field, I'm going to enter my own WhatsApp number to see whether I receive new messages or not. So here in this case, I'm going to receive both the new message, that is a lead welcome message, and the lead detail message, because here I'm using my own WhatsApp number. So here I'm going to enter my own phone number and then I'm going to click on the submit given over here. And here you can see it says, thank you for filling out the form. Your response has been recorded. That means we have successfully submitted a form over here and we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received two WhatsApp messages. First says, hi demo user, thank you for submitting your details through our form. We have received your information and will get back to you shortly. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message. Best regards, ABC Company. So this is the thank you, or you can see the welcome message that we want to send to our lead whenever a new form is submitted. And here you can see the second message that we have received, which says new cognitive form submission received. Here are the details, that is name, email, phone number, city and type of property. Make sure to follow up with the lead promptly. So this is the second message that we have received with all the lead details. So this is the particular message that I want to receive on my phone whenever a new form submission is made. So here I've already built this templates over here to send this automated WhatsApp message to my leads and myself using WhatsApp by AI Sensei. Okay, so this was how this amazing automation works. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this amazing automation by simply connecting your cognitive forms with AI Sensei account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send and get WhatsApp message on cognitive form submission using AI Sensei. And now here it is asking me to select the folder. So here in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section where you can see all the folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So now here in this case, I'm going to select my folder which is named as automations, and you can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin that automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as cognitive forms, as I am receiving new form submission through cognitive forms. So basically, cognitive forms is an easy to use online form builder that lets you create forms for surveys, registrations, payments and more. It's popular because it offers customizable templates and powerful features like calculations, conditional logic and payment collection, all without needing coding skills. So here in my cognitive forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new entry, so that whenever we're going to receive new entry through our cognitive forms, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my cognitive forms with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL, and here I've already logged in my cognitive forms account. So this is my cognitive forms account, and here under all forms you can see all the forms which I've created with cognitive forms till now. And here in this case I'm going to use a form which is named as contact form over here. So I'm going to open it over here. And now here under cognitive forms in this build option, you can see we have received the option for post JSON data to a website. So here you have to turn this on, and after turning it on, you can see we have received the option for submit entry endpoint. So here in this particular field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow in order to connect my cognitive forms with Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to remove this previously existing URL, and then I'm going to enter the new URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering the new URL, I'm going to click on the save given over here, and then I'm going to click on this publish. And here you can see we have received a public link over here of this form. So I'm going to open it over here. And with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our cognitive forms, and we have successfully connected our cognitive forms with Pabbly Connect. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test response in our cognitive form. So for that, let me take you back to my form. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as dummy, last name as user, email as dummy@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. Here I'm going to enter the city as Mumbai and the type of property as residential. So with this, we have successfully filled the form over here. So now I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says thank you for filling out the form, your response has been recorded. That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the type of property, phone number, last name, first name and last name together. Here you can see the first name only. Here you can see the contact form name, scrolling little down. And here you can see the email address of the lead, scrolling little down. And lastly, here you can see the city of the lead. So this was the response that we have received. And with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new entry through our cognitive forms, I want to send an automated welcome or thank you message to my lead on his or her WhatsApp number. So for that, I need to connect my WhatsApp by AI Sensei account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. So here I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei is a tool that enhances the WhatsApp messaging for businesses by adding features like automated replies, bulk messaging, and customer support. So here in my WhatsApp by SNC action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new entry through my cognitive forms, then automatically and instantly a thank you or welcome message should be sent to my lead using a template message through WhatsApp by SNC. And now here to connect my WhatsApp by SNC with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp by SNC account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my WhatsApp by SNC account. And from here, I'm going to click on this manage. And here under manage, you can see we have received the option for API key. So I'm going to select it over here. And here you can see we have received the API key. So I'm going to copy it over here. And here if you want to regenerate the key, then you can simply regenerate the key over here. So now here moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and now I'm going to paste the API key. So now here after entering the API key, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So here in the help text it says enter the name of the campaign that has to be sent to the user. It is to be noted that the status of the campaign should be live. So here in this campaign name field, I need to enter my campaign name that I've already launched for the template that I'm going to use over here to send a thank you or welcome message to my lead. So here I've already created a template using WhatsApp by SNC, and here after creating a template, I've also launched a new campaign for my template with the name welcome message. So this is the campaign that I've already launched, and here you can see my campaign name and the status as live, and here you can see the message that I've drafted which says hi Juan, thank you for submitting your details through our form. We have received your information and will get back to you shortly. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message. Best regards, ABC Company. So this is the message which I've drafted, and here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name. That is because here I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through my cognitive forms, then automatically this previously existing lead name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes our text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So this is the message which I have drafted, and now here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to copy this campaign name given over here, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the campaign name. So this is my campaign name, and then here it is asking me to enter the mobile number. So here in this mobile number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send the WhatsApp message. So here I want to send this WhatsApp message to my lead on his or her phone number. So now here instead of entering the mobile number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received on my trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic, so that when you're going to receive new entry through our cognitive forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to search for the phone number of my lead. So this is my lead's phone number, so I'm going to map it over here. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the user name. So here in the help text it says enter the name of the user to whom the campaign has to be sent. So here I need to enter my lead's name only. So for that I'm going to search for the name. So this is my lead's first name, so I'm going to map it over here. Moving forward, here this source and tags are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank, but if you want to add any other detail, then you can do it as per your need. And then here it is asking me to enter the template parameter. So here in this template parameter field, I need to enter the value of the variable that I have used in my template. So here I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template. So here I need to enter the value for the same. So in my template I used the variable for the lead's name. So I'm going to map the lead's name over here. So I'm going to search for my lead's name. So this is my lead's full name. So I'm going to map it over here. And then here it is asking me for the attributes URL and the file name. So again these fields are not required fields. So here I'm going to leave them blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I need to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number. So now moving forward, and then I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new WhatsApp message to our phone number. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received a new welcome message which says, "Hi dummy user, thank you for submitting your details through our form. We have received your information and will get back to you shortly. If you have any immediate questions, feel free to reply to this message. Best regards, ABC Company." So this is the message that my lead has received, and here you can see the name as dummy user and the same message template that we have used in our WhatsApp by ASNC account. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step. Now let's move forward with this automation. So now here, after sending a WhatsApp message to our lead, I also want to receive a WhatsApp message on my phone number with all the lead details. So for that, here I'm going to add a new action step over here, and again here I'm going to select my action application as WhatsApp by ASNC. So I'm going to select it over here, and now again here in this action event, I'm going to select my event as send template message, and then I'm going to click on this connect. Now here this time I'm going to click on the select existing connection, because here I've already connected my WhatsApp by ASNC account with Pabbly Connect in my previous action step over here. So I'm going to select the existing connection, and then I'm going to click on this save. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then again here it is asking me to enter the campaign name. So here this time I need to enter the new campaign name that I've already launched for the new template that I'm going to use to receive a new WhatsApp message on my phone number with all the lead details. So here again, to get this campaign name, let me take you back to my SNC account, and here I've already launched another campaign for the new lead alert message that I want to receive on my phone number with the name lead alert. So here you can see the campaign name, here you can see the status as live, and here you can see the template which I've already created with the message which says new cognitive form submission received. Here are the details: name, email, phone number, city, and type of property. Make sure to follow up with the lead promptly. So here you can see I've used 5 variables over here in my draft for the name, email, phone number, city, and type of property. So basically I want to make all these details dynamic. That's why I've used 5 variables over here. So this is my template and this is my campaign name given over here. So I'm going to copy it over here, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter my campaign name. So this is my campaign name, and then here it is asking me to enter the mobile number. So again here in this mobile number field, I need to enter the number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here I want to receive this WhatsApp message. That's why I'm going to enter the mobile number here manually, because here my own phone number is going to remain static, as only I always want to receive the WhatsApp message for the lead details. So I'm going to enter my own phone number. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number, and here for the username I'm going to enter my company name, that is ABC Company. And here after entering the username, again the source and tags are not a required field, and then here it is asking me for the template parameter. So here in this template parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variables that I've used in my template. So here I've already shown you that I've used 5 variables in my template. So now one by one I'm going to map all the details. So first variable that I have used is for the name. So here I'm going to map my lead's name first. So this is my lead's name, so I'm going to map it over here. Then I'm going to enter a comma, and then the second variable that I have used in my template is for the lead's email. So I'm going to search for the lead's email over here. So this is my lead's email, so I'm going to map it over here. Then I'm going to enter the comma, and the third variable that I've used in my template is for my lead's phone number. So I'm going to search for the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number, so I'm going to map it over here. Then I'm going to enter the comma, and then I'm going to map the value of my fourth variable that I have used for the city of my lead. So I'm going to search for the city. So this is my lead city, so I'm going to map it over here. And lastly here I'm going to enter the comma, and this time I'm going to map the value of the fifth variable of my template. So here I've used the fifth variable for the type of property. So this is the type of property that my leader has selected. So I'm going to map it over here. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a new WhatsApp message to our phone number with all the lead details. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have successfully received a new WhatsApp message which says new cognitive form submission received. Here are the details, that is name, email, phone number, city, and type of property. Make sure to follow up with the lead promptly. So this is the message that we are going to receive with all the lead details, and with this we have successfully set up our entire automation. Now let let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken a trigger as cognitive forms and an action as WhatsApp by ISNC twice. So that whenever we're going to receive new entry through our cognitive forms, then automatically and instantly a thank you message should be sent to our lead using a template message through WhatsApp by ISNC, and after that automatically I should also receive a WhatsApp message with all the lead details using a template message through WhatsApp by ISNC. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send and get WhatsApp message on cognitive form submission using WhatsApp by ISNC. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.